Hi there. We're going to go through a very fast video to look at a few different ways to do outlining of cells. So let's say I have some content, and let me just drag this over, and we'll drag it down. There we go. Okay, so I want to draw a box around these cells. Okay, so I highlight the cells, I click and drag to highlight them. I can go over here and choose one of these options, right? I could also adjust the line color, the line style, and choose different kinds of borders. So here we'll do thick outside borders, and you notice that now there's a box around the cells. Okay, so let's drag this over again, and we'll do a different example. So now I have these cells. I only want these to be in a box. I can right-click and go to where it says Format Cells, and then in the Format Cells box, go to where it says Border. And this picture here is what is going to show up around my cells over here. So I'm going to pick dotted line, and I'm going to select top and bottom. I don't want anything to be on the sides, just the top and the bottom over here. I press OK, and now I have top and bottom lines, right? And of course, I can get rid of all the lines if I go here and press where it says no border, and that will turn them all off. Okay, so it just really depends what you want to outline. Like we talked about in class, sometimes you'll have like 5, 7, 5, 6, and then here we do auto sum. And then on a financial statement, you'll have a double line near the bottom double border, like this. So you'll have the numbers on top, the double line, and then the one on the bottom. It just depends what you want it to look like. We can also put everything into a box by just going outside borders, and that would look like this. Or we could select everything and do inside borders, all borders, and it would look like that. It just really depends on what you're trying to do as far as the borders go. And I believe the last trick we're going to do is right in here. You just right click and you can go access them over here as well. Okay, so I hope that answers your question. Let me know if you have any problems.